We are on an adventure. It is 8 o'clock at night and the sun is setting. We're in a woodland. It's a bluebell woodland, so we're looking for some bluebells. Haven't come across any so far. And yes, that was a gunshot in the background. People are obviously out stalking. Hopefully we're not going to come across any hunters. There's the sunset in the background. Not sure how well that'll turn out. I wouldn't normally come out this late at night, especially walking through a forest. At least I've got my bodyguard. But I had so many things to get done during the day, I figured I'd come out at night when it's nice and quiet and at least it's still light. Because this is meant to be quite a popular spot, especially between now and May. Sophie, what's wrong? Doing her usual. What's wrong? When she stops like this, she usually has something stuck in her butt. And yes, she had something stuck in her butt. A spiky twig. So what happens when you have a bushy tail and you sweep up the entire floor of the forest? So I think we have just got to where the bluebells would normally be covering the ground. They're not even out yet. They're out everywhere else I've been, so I don't understand why they're not out here. We're slightly further north, so maybe it's just been too cold. But anyway, here's some little bluebells here. It's nice to get out when it's nice and quiet. It's maybe slightly creepy, given we're kind of in a forest and there's no one else around. That was another shot. I don't know if it's picking up in the background. Hopefully no one mistakes us for Bambi. I downloaded the trail this time, so if I lose my connection, I can still access the route and won't get lost. It must be because it's much colder here that they aren't out, because I'm just looking at the trees, and all the trees look like they're still in winter, which is really weird, because last weekend when we were out, everything was all cherry blossom. That was another shot in the background. But they might be shooting pheasants. I've heard quite a few pheasants squawking. I've just spotted a deer in the woods. It's running about and I think it's just seen us. We're quite far away from it. Sophie hasn't spotted it yet. She hasn't seen a deer. There it is through there. Definitely won't see that. I have never seen deer out on a walk like this before. Apart from in places like Richmond Park in London, but that's a bit different. But not like out in the wild, properly. I've seen them at the side of the road and stuff, but not running straight in front of me. So all of this behind me would normally be covered in bluebells. But it looks amazing. You must have heard that. Sophie, let's go. They might think we're Bambi. She would be Bambi. Yeah, I'd be Bambi's mum. I'd get shot. Again, they're definitely getting louder and closer, which is a bit worrying. I hope it is actual stalkers and not some psychopath out there. All up here would be covered in bluebells as well, and it'd look really cute. I think we'll make it our mission to come back here in May. I think I can see someone up ahead and they're just standing. It's a bit creepy. Just checking if he's continuing walking. Anyway, we passed him. My heart was pounding. Sophie growled at him. Oh, fuck. What the hell is that? I don't think I'll come out here at this time of night again. He gave us a smile and I probably just glared at him. If I wasn't with her, I think I'd be even more scared. That is the only good thing about her barking, is safety. I'm so glad we went that way when we arrived, because otherwise we'd been walking back through there on the way back to the car, and that would have been so creepy. Are those pheasants? Guinea fowl? I think it's pheasants. I am in the car, woohoo, safe, and I have locked the doors. I got so creeped out. Anyway, Sophie took a shit on her walk, so I need to get rid of her poo bag, and the bin is all the way over there, and I'm not walking up there on my own. Someone could jump out of a bush. So I'm going to drive past it and put it out the window. My poo. Oh, it stinks. Oh my god, it smells so bad. Oh, that is disgusting. Oh my god, let's get out of here. Anyway, thank you for watching.